Welcome back to GMC Live Reviews. I'm Carel Verhoef. We'll be live reviewing Dongwe Ocean View on the east coast of Zanzibar Island, the Spice Island, friendly island with great people. And I'm here with, we're just quickly going to check in. And I'm here with Juma. Juma, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good, thanks.
Welcome in Dongwe.
Thank you.
How was your trip out?
It's good. You know, we arrived in Stone Town, but we're looking forward to the beach.
All right. Welcome in Dongwe.
Thank you.
All right. I have our guest register book.
All right.
I will kindly ask you to register for us. If you can put your full names and your passport number.
Okay.
It will be great for us.
All right.
This is a pen for you.
Thank you. All right.
You can do your first name,
Carel,
your nationality,
Tanzanian,
place of birth.
these days.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm getting older now, huh?
Occupation.
Yeah.
Your passport number.
All right.
Date of arrival.
What's the date today?
Today is 23rd.
23rd.
Yeah, 23rd of April.
Okay.
And you're arriving from Stone Town or from the airport?
Yeah.
Yeah. And the place you'll be going? Next destination?
Yeah, we're going back to Arusha. Huh?
And then the date of departure. How many nights are you going to stay with us?
Yeah, one night. We would love to stay longer, but you know we have some work to do, huh?
And then you have room number 101.
101.
Okay. And you put your signature for me.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Thank you
very much.
Thanks, Mr. Juma.
You're most welcome. So you have your booking is one night for us.
Okay.
Okay. But first of all, have a welcome drink from our waiter here.
Ah, perfect. How are you?
Good, and you? Welcome,
thank you very
thanks.
much. Asante.
Karibu.
That's fresh orange juice.
Oh, well, that's the way to arrive, huh?
Yeah. How does it taste? Is it good?
Yeah, very good.
Thank you.
Juma, thank you very much.
Most welcome.
We're going to just drop our bags at the room and then we'll see you later. Huh?
No problem. No problem. No problem.
Perfect.
All right.
Carel Verhoef, GMC Live Reviews. We've just arrived at Dongwe Ocean View and it's time for the beach. We'll chat to you soon.